Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes guys, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Now guys, if you want to lose fat from your belly, if you want to build your immune system, check out this Jamaican recipe. And please remember to like and leave a comment and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. Alright guys, so let's get into it. I'm going to make some Jamaican June plum and aloe vera juice. I'm going to use a little bit of sugar, lime and ginger. Alright, let's get into it guys. Ooh. Over here, I have everything cut up and ready to blend. Alright, so we're going to add everything to the blender. June plum. When I cut off the June plum, this is what left, the seed. Alright. And some ginger too. My aloe vera. And we just need some water. Now we're gonna blend up everything. And that's it guys, fast and simple. We're gonna strain everything. Wait, piece of June plum got stuck. And we're just gonna strain everything. I like to catch some water on it. That will do. And you're just gonna strain everything. Alright, and you're gonna have something like that. Now we're gonna sweeten it, and I have half of lemon juice, about a tablespoon. Pour some in this one. And we're gonna pour some in the glass. Alright my peeps, that's it. That's my amazing aloe vera and June plum juice, or June plum and aloe vera drink. Look at that guys. Gonna clean and build your immune system. Try it guys and tell me how you like it. And if you don't want it sweet, don't add no sugar. Just add a little bit of honey. Healthy and refreshing. Look at that goodness guys. Bye guys, you have a good day.